A plain room transforms into a vibrant, trendy space using modern decor ideas. Want to make your home beautiful on a budget in 2025? Let's explore 7 stunning decor trends you can recreate easily. 1. Color drenching. Show a cozy room with walls, trim, and furniture all in the same bold color. Color drenching is all about painting walls, ceilings, and even furniture in one shade. For a luxurious feel, go dark or stick to soft neutrals for a calming touch. It's a budget-friendly game-changer. 2. Cottage-style wallpaper. Show small floral wallpaper in a powder room and dining room. Cottage-style wallpaper brings vintage charm to any space. Use peel and stick options for an easy, affordable update in powder rooms, dining areas, or even kitchens. 3. Warm minimalism. Display a minimalist room with warm tones and cozy accents. Warm minimalism keeps it simple yet cozy. Pair decluttered spaces with warm hues, textured throws, and pillows to make your home inviting without feeling sterile. 4. Biophilic design. Show a room filled with plants, wood elements, and wall art. Bring nature inside with biophilic design. Add plants, wooden textures, and our ModernTattooArt wall stickers to create a tranquil space. 5. Warm hues. Highlight spaces with earthy tones and brass accents. Warm tones like terracotta, browns, and brass are trending. Start small with throw pillows, blankets, or decor pieces for an affordable yet impactful change. 6. Natural materials. Show wooden furniture, woven baskets, and stone elements. Natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan are timeless. 7. Elevated coffee bar. Show a DIY coffee bar with stylish containers and decor. Turn an unused corner into a trendy coffee bar. Elevate your home in 2025? These trends, paired with new decor trends, will transform your space beautifully without breaking the bank. Let your creativity shine.